Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can download WhatsApp application on your desktop or laptop. So first of all, open up search bar, then simply type here Microsoft Store, Microsoft Store, open up Microsoft Store, and after that, as you can see, top free apps, there will be WhatsApp. Otherwise, if you don't get this app, just simply search here WhatsApp and then click on install button. It will take some times, depends on your internet connections. As you can see, we successfully installed WhatsApp app, and then again open up your search bar, then search WhatsApp, pin to taskbar.